Everybody at Outdoor Home knows that dessert is my favorite part of any meal. So today, I'm going to show you one of my go-to recipes that taste even better baked on a big green egg. Now, whether I'm baking appetizers, entrees, sides, breads, or desserts, the big green egg is so versatile, I've all but forgotten my kitchen oven. So today, we're talking blueberry cobbler. Now, this dessert can be the highlight of any meal, and you won't believe how quickly and easily you can make it in your big green egg. So let's get to it. For this cook, we're using the convector basket, convector, stainless steel cooking grid, and 5.5 quart enamel-coated Dutch oven. Now that we have our tools, let's head outside and get ready to bake. First, we'll top off and light our lump charcoal. Now that the egg is lit, let's adjust the top and bottom vents and dial in a temperature of 350 degrees. After a few minutes, add the convector to provide a heat barrier between your charcoal and the food. This technique for indirect cooking creates a convection effect that radiates heat inside the egg and around your food. And just like that, you're ready to bake. So place your Dutch oven on the stainless steel grid and add your butter. While that's melting, mix the milk, sugar, and then flour in a separate bowl and pour your mixture over the melted butter in the Dutch oven. Next, scatter your blueberries evenly over the batter mixture and bake uncovered with the egg closed for approximately 1 hour. Check your cobbler at 45 minutes by inserting a toothpick into the center. When it comes out clean, your cobbler is finished. Before I got my big green egg, I really didn't bake much at all. But once I saw how easy it was to bake from scratch, I'm doing it all the time. You got questions or you want some tips on baking? Come talk to the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.